guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope everyone's having a great day. I'm participating in a collaboration today, and it's hosted by Easy Living with Elle, Create with Cindy, and Multifaceted Me. So if you want to see what I create for this collab, then stick around. Okay, the collab is called, I'm looking here at the name, Summer Sips, Eats, and Sweets. And as I said, it's hosted by Elle, Easy Living with Elle, Cindy at Create with Cindy, and Sonia at Multifaceted Me. The first part of the collab is the sips. So I'm going to make a nice little summer drink using all of this. We're going to start with some country thyme lemonade mixed. What is this? Half and half. Half lemonade, iced tea. Some lemons, some strawberries, some watermelon, and some Canada Dry diet ginger ale. Because we want to try to, if we can, keep this caloric friendly as we possibly can. Okay, let's get started. Okay, this is going to be very, very easy, guys. You're going to be so surprised. I didn't hear the hostess said that we had to make it really hard. It just has to be a summertime drink. All right, so we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of the country thyme. I'm going to go for a little bit more because it says 1 tablespoon for 8 ounces. So, all right, sneak it a little bit more. I'm going to add a couple of slices of lemon, a couple strawberries, and the strawberries are frozen, so that will kind of keep the drink cool. Some ice. And I'm going to use a couple pieces of watermelon. I tasted this watermelon the other day. It's really sweet. Let's go for another piece. I'm doubling this up because originally called for like 8 ounces. This is definitely more than 8 ounces. All right. Do I have enough strawberry in here? Let's get a little water. Just a little water. Actually, I'm gonna get a lot of water. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody goes over and checks out the channels of Elle, Cindy, and Sonia. All right, let's see what we're working with here. I'm going to stir this up. Wow, this is looking so good. Oh my God, this looks good. Just taste it. That's good stuff. But you know what's going to make it even better? A little ginger ale. This will give it a little pop. And I'm just eyeballing this, guys. Look at the fizz. This This is going to be so good. Okay, so I've added a straw, some lemons on the side, a little piece of watermelon, and isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Isn't it beautiful? It's like a beautiful summertime sips. So Elle, Cindy, Sonia, I hope you like it. Thanks for the open invitation. I'm glad I was able to participate in this collab. So everybody go over and check out the channels, Easy Living with Elle, Create with Cindy, and Multifaceted Me. Check out their channels, check out the playlist below with all the other creators who participated in this collab. I'm sure you're gonna find some really like diversified, fantastic, you know, really, really cool drinks out there that you can make for the summer. And you go in for the taste. Oh yeah, the ginger ale gives it a nice little pop, you know, a little fizz. It's really chilly. I think as you let it sit, the fruits are going to really infuse with the drink, and it's going to be even better, but of the other fruits. Oh my God, that's really good. Thanks everybody for riding with me through my videos and supporting my channel. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.